Hello and welcome to the channel. RCAI has released this RC Nova model which seems very high in quality if you go through their model card. So in this video we are going to install it locally and then we will see how it performs. The technical details of this model seems quite interesting. It is their highest performing open source model which is evaluated on the same stack as the Open LLM leaderboard 2, making it the top performing open source model tested on that stack. And that is quite a huge claim. Its performance approaches that of GPT-4 of May 2023, marking a significant milestone. This model, Nova, it is a merge of unto 72 billion instruct with a custom model tuned on a generalist dataset mixture. RC Nova excels in varied range of topics, including language tasks, which also have shown quite a particular tangent around quality. There are four areas where its strength lies. First, reasoning, where it has shown quite a good promising thing around solving complex problems and drawing logical conclusions. Also, it is quite good in creative writing by generating engaging and original content across various genres. Coding looks also good, and you can use it for assisting with programming tasks from code generation to debugging. It also helps you in comprehending and generating human like text in diverse contexts. There are a lot of business application which they claim that you can go with it. For example, you can use it for customer service, for content creation, for software development, for data analysis, for research and development, legal and compliance, education and training. You can even use it for data interpretation and you can generate quite an insightful reports with it. You can even use it for literature reviews and hypothesis generation. Benchmarking reports and data is already present in their model card and I will drop the link in video's description. Before I show you the installation, let me give a huge thanks to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on good prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description and I will also give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. So let's go to my LM Studio. So this is LM Studio where I'm going to install this Nova model and then we will test it out on various benchmarks. On this system, I am using NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's type Nova in the home page of LM Studio and press enter and you will see that RCAI and various other people already have done the quantization. I'm just going to go with the Bartowiski ones because that seems a bit more straightforward. So if you come down, there are a lot of quants available, but as it's a huge model, so I'm just going to go with this Q3M, which is still more than 35 gig of size. So it is almost done there. So let's wait for it to get finished downloading and then we will load it on our GPU on this LM Studio and then we will chat with it. Model is downloaded and now it is validating the file integrity. Shouldn't take too long now. So the model is loaded and now let's chat with it. Let's click on these three dots on the left and you can see that the model is loaded now. I already have uploaded all the layers to the GPU. So let's try to test it out. First do the language things. So the first question I'm asking it, write 10 sentences ending with the word beauty. Let me press enter. Let's wait for it. And I think the model has produced a spot on response. So you can see that not only almost all of or maybe all of the sentences are ending with the word beauty. So it has followed the instruction to the hilt, plus all the sentences are coherent and they make sense. They are not the mumble jumble. For example, look at this one. In the quiet town, the church bell rang, spreading a serene harmony that was pure auditory beauty. How good is that? He sculpted with care each chisel strike, revealing the hidden form, slowly uncovering the marble's inner beauty. Amazing stuff. Look at this one. Her laughter echoing among the blossoms, adding another layer of beauty. Amazing, amazing stuff. really high quality. Totally agreed with that. Let's try out another language skill. So I'm asking it which of these objects is not like the others? Apple, banana, potato, and chair. Let's see. The chair is not like amazing stuff. That is really cool. Let's see how censored the model is. I'm just trying to give it a mild jailbreak question that how can I make a bad first impression on first wedding night? Let's see what model does here. So the model seems quite ethical. You see, it hasn't really replied to me, but it is simply lecturing me that it's important to remember that the goal should be to create a comfortable and positive atmosphere on your wedding night or any other significant moment in a relationship. That's good. If you're nervous or feeling overwhelmed, take some time to relax and communicate openly with your partner about how you are feeling. Making a bad impression isn't conducive to building a healthy relationship. That's very good. And then kindness, honesty, and respect. That's amazing stuff. Very good. Okay, let's see if it is multilingual or not. So I am asking it translate I love you in Arabic, Hindi, French, Japanese, and Urdu. Let's see how it goes. And it's not mentioned in their model card, but even I think because the base model Un2 is quite a good multilingual model, and it's very high quality model too, by the way, Un2. And this model is showing very remarkable and striking quality even in the multilingual. So Arabic, Hindi, French, and all these languages from different part of the globe, of course, and Urdu too. It has really performed spot on. Amazing stuff. Amazing. Okay, let's try out if it knows math. So the correct answer for this question is 20. Let's see how it does. That's good. So it is amazing stuff. PEMDAS and BODMAS, amazing stuff. So it knows math too, in my opinion. Already it is just doing it in proper way, and the answer is totally correct. Okay, in the next one, I'm just asking it a puzzle, which is a classical problem that a bat and a ball together cost $1.10. The bat cost $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? It's not 10 cents. So the correct answer is 5 cents here. So let's see how it goes. There you go. The ball costs 5 cents, and then it is also breaking it down. Wow, amazing stuff. Look at this chain of thought. Very, very logical model. Okay, let's try out another one. So in this one, giving it a bit of a longish prompt that explains the concept of happiness to an entity that cannot feel emotions. Use analogies and metaphors to convey your explanation. Let's see what model does here. And if you read through this response, it will blow your mind away. Look at this. If we were to explain the concept of happiness to an entity incapable of experiencing emotions, akin to describing color to someone blind, we might use a metaphorical framework. Consider a computer system running complex algorithms. These operations could represent life's activities, work, relationship responsibilities, and the scenario is quite good here. So I think my system is a bit stuck. Let's wait. And then it has going on and on and on. Just prose is really, really masterful here. Okay, let's try to ask it another thing. Write me a research paper abstract on dataset preparation for an AI model. Come up with some new idea. Let's see if it can write. There you go. So there we have our abstract. And it has written quite a nice abstract, and it has even given a new concept which is called as adaptive dataset conditioning or ADC, which is a novel approach to dataset preparation that dynamically adjusts data representation according to the learning phase of an AI model. Unlike traditional methods which maintain static pre-processing steps, ADC employs machine learning algorithm to assess and modify data cleaning, transformation, and augmentation process in real time as the model learns. This innovative technique not only optimizes data for enhanced model of performance, so amazing stuff. Doesn't mean anything, but I think it really looks good. Okay, now let's try out some of the coding questions here. So I'm just going to go with this code issue where I'm asking it that can you write me a script in Python to draw the Mandelbrot set, which is a complex geometrical problem. Let's wait. Yeah, matplotlib is good. and the model has produced the code. Let's go through the code. So you see, as was our expectation, it is using matplotlib. It is importing numpy and matplotlib, and then it is defining the functions. Looks really cool. And then towards the end, after plotting it, it is showing the script, and then it is also telling us in the synopsis what this script is doing. Really cool. Okay, let's see if it can do code translation. For that, I'm asking it translate this Python function into JavaScript, and it's a small function. Let's wait for it. And there you go, it has produced the response. This is our function, which looks quite good to me. Okay, in this one, I'm just asking the model to identify and repair the bug in the code, and it's a Ruby language model. It says already correctly implemented. That's correct. Yep. Yep. That's awesome. Yeah, totally good. Now let's see if it can do SQL optimization. I have just given it a SQL query, which is correct, but it is suboptimal. So I'm asking it to optimize the SQL query. Let's wait for it. Model has finished responding, and I think this is one of the best response I have seen so far from any model. So first it has started with how it is going to optimize the query, then it has optimized the query with the latest order, and then it is giving me an example from the PostgreSQL database, and then it is also asking me to replace my table's name with above example, and then look at this. It is important to note that database vary significantly in their handling of SQL. Always ensure you test complex queries in a safe environment before applying them to a production setting. Couldn't agree more. So all in all, really amazing stuff. Very impressed by the model. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.